Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak tender. First, selecting the right cut is crucial. Some cuts are naturally more tender. Next, consider mechanical tenderizing, like pounding, to physically break down muscle fibers. Finally, marinating can chemically tenderize and infuse incredible flavor. We'll explore each of these techniques to help you achieve perfectly tender steak every time. Mechanical tenderizing involves physically breaking down muscle fibers with a mallet, which also helps achieve even cooking. For chemical tenderizing, you can use dry rubs with enzymes like papain or bromelain, found in some spices. Alternatively, acidic marinades, using ingredients like citrus juice or vinegar, work by denaturing proteins, making the meat softer and more palatable. Proper cooking is key to tenderness. Start with a high-heat sear to develop a delicious crust, then move to lower, indirect heat to finish cooking evenly. Always use a meat thermometer to reach your desired doneness, avoiding overcooking, which can make steak tough. Finally, resting the steak for 5 to 10 minutes allows juices to redistribute, ensuring a moist and tender result. For thicker cuts, reverse searing can yield exceptional tenderness by cooking slowly before a final high-heat sear. Brining is another excellent technique for tougher cuts, as it helps the meat retain moisture and become more succulent. Remember, patience and proper technique are your best friends for a truly tender steak. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.